Ever heard a noise late at night? What do you say? Did you hear that? Did you hear that? You forgot someone's name. How do you ask politely? Sorry, what was your name again? Sorry, what was your name again? You were really impressed. What do you say? That's amazing. That's amazing. Want to politely stop someone talking. Can I say something? Can I say something? Your friend looks upset. What do you ask? Is everything okay? Is everything okay? You are running late. How do you inform them? I will be there in 10 minutes. I will be there in 10 minutes. Someone gives you good advice. How do you respond? Thanks, that really helped. Thanks, that really helped. You are excited about the weekend. What do you say? I can't wait for the weekend. I can't wait for the weekend. You want to say something is easy. What's a casual phrase? Piece of cake. Piece of cake. You are curious to know more. How do you ask? Can you tell me more? Can you tell me more? Someone says something unbelievable. What is your reply? You are kidding. You are kidding. You need someone to explain again. How do you say? Can you explain that again? Can you explain that again? You agree with someone's opinion. What do you say? I feel the same way. I feel the same way. Someone is talking nonsense. How do you react? That doesn't make any sense. That doesn't make any sense. You are feeling nervous before something big. I have got butterflies in my stomach. I have got butterflies in my stomach. You didn't expect someone to come. How do you say it? What a surprise to see you here. What a surprise to see you here. You are giving a friend directions. For example, just go straight and take the second left. Just go straight and take the second left. You have heard something before. How do you say that? I have heard that before. I have had that before. You want to say don't worry, but casually. What do you say? No worries. No worries. Want to sound cool while saying goodbye. Take it easy. Take it easy.